Hey guys, it's me. But I'm gonna like make this video of me getting all this spray paint off because my brother decided to get a hold of this. I'm trying to make this a clean little pit. Like, yeah, it's Chinese, but look how far I've got with just this drill. Oh damn, my bad. Here's one of the forks. Had to slam that down on top. But it's coming along. But we're going to be doing this triple clamp right here. Oh goodness. Let me make sure I'm still videoing. Yes. My phone likes to cut it off because I have too much storage, basically. But I'm going to get a new phone and use this as like my camera phone, basically, if you can understand that. Ow. That hurt. Oof. That'll be alright. I didn't die. He's coming together, but oh boy, it ain't that bad, but like, it's what happens when you like work, actually. And monkey. That hurt. That one did hurt that time. Gotta move these parts out the way. With my hammer. That's one. Here. Recharge.